f of x is equal to 1 over the fifth root of x, what is f dash x? So what we need to do first of all is put that into differentiable form. So f of x would equal to, so I'm going to write this out. So that's the fifth root which would be, so now we can differentiate that. So f dash x would give me, so that would be minus 1 over 5 x. Now we subtract 1 from there, so that would be minus 5 over 5, so that would be minus 6 over 5. Then of course we're just going to put that back into the same form. Now, before I do that, I'm just going to show you, if you had m to the n, that is your power, that is your root. And when we write this, we take the root outside and we take the power in there like that. So if I apply the same rule here, that should be 5 there. So that would be 1 over, so this would be the root, so it's the fifth root, and it's x to the 6. And that would be my final answer.